Welcome to AL Language Cafe, where we learn Chinese the fun way. In this video series, we'll practice a set of characters together. You can download the free worksheets in the description to follow along.
Next character, 不 no, as in it means no. Start by writing a horizontal stroke at the top. Then a left falling stroke around the middle point, slightly to the right of the horizontal stroke, followed by a vertical stroke in the middle. Lastly, to the right, write a short right falling stroke. This character has a total of 4 strokes. Next character, L has multiple functions. Check the book to learn more. L has 2 strokes. The first stroke is a horizontal hook, which is a horizontal stroke with a hook at the end. Then, at the end of the hook from the previous stroke, start writing a slightly curved vertical hook. A common mistake that learners make is to write a horizontal stroke as 1 stroke, then the hook as the second stroke, then the last stroke. That is incorrect. This character has only 2 strokes. First stroke, second stroke. The second stroke is slightly curvy. If we write it as a straight vertical stroke, then it doesn't look good. Guess what? We're almost done. Keep it up. Once again, we are going to form words with the characters we just practiced. 不大 not big. 不 also has a tone change here. To learn more about the tone change rules, please visit allanguagecafe.com/tone change. Last word. 太大了，太大了。Too big.